Okay, so I've got my Spark Mini, and the battery will last for like 10 minutes at a time. For some reason now, I've got this wee replacement that I got on eBay. I'll put the link if you want to buy one yourself. So I'm going to try taking the back off the Mini. It's like 6 screws. Okay, I've got the back off, it's just 6 screws, and it just pops straight off, and this is what we've got inside, if you can see it. So, let's see. So I got that out, you can see it there, so it's green. Slightly different size to the new one, slightly different. So as you can see, there's a bit there on one side and not on the other, so I assume that's going to slot right in there. So I'll just do that. And if you look there, as you can see, you can actually pull this out a little bit to give yourself a bit more room. Okay, so I've got it in. I'll just get you a bit of a better view there. So that's it slotted in nicely. Easy enough. Now, I'll just put the back on again with a couple of screws, just to protect myself in case it explodes. And I'll plug it in and we'll see if it charges up. Okay, so as you can see, it is charging. So I'll give it 5 minutes just to get a wee bit of juice into it, and then I'll try turning it on and playing it. Alright, moment of truth. I'll get these little wireless set things, and my Gibson Flying V will be the test. Let's see, will it come on? It did seem to come on. It's working. I was set on the bass set. I was playing bass through it last night. There we go, how's that? Sounding good? Okay, so shall we unplug the charging cable then and see what happens? Still on. So, seems to have worked. I'll charge this fully up, see how long it lasts later on. I'll play it for a while and see if it lasts any longer than the one it's replaced. If I get any longer than half an hour or so out, it'll be an improvement anyway. Okay, cheers, hope you found this useful.